Alright guys, Bruce Milligan here from Cell Pro Repair Solutions. We're doing the S10 screen replacement. As you can see, it's cracked here, and we're putting the new screen plus frame on it. Screen plus frame, as with my business, I can do this repair within 24, or actually within the day, and get this back to my customer, so they're not without their phone for a long period of time. Anyways, gonna heat this up to about 190 degrees Celsius and try and remove the back. Okay, so I'm finding out that if you're applying too much heat, unlike most of the other phones, it does get sort of discolored. You can see a bit of discoloration here. So you want to not apply heat in one place for a long period of time. You definitely want to apply it evenly. That sucks. Okay, so that was essentially not what we wanted to do, but it happened nonetheless. So what I think we should do is just carry on.
So on inspection, when the glass was removed, I found out there was a thick piece of adhesive there, and we didn't heat it up enough in the area. I was trying to be delicate not to damage the actual back glass by heating it up, but the adhesive was a little bit more in from the sides, so that's why that broke. I've done multiple ones now since then, and they haven't broke. And it's just you want to heat it up properly, and you actually just want to slide the pick along rather than prying with this particular one. You can see I got my thumb underneath the screen with this particular model. You don't want to do that as much. You just want to slide the pick along and just maybe leave, pull it up a little bit, but not as much as I was doing there. So now we just want to remove the screws and place them in a nice orderly fashion on your magnetic mat.
Alright, so just a phone call I had to take there. Anyways, I've got these screws all out here, fairly straightforward. I've put them in a nice order so I can get back to them at any time. And I am going to now pop this up like so. And now I'm going to delicately disconnect so disappointing that they don't have the separate charge port, but sorry. But that's the way it goes. I'm gonna remove this guy. that and that. Gonna go over there. We've got another screw over here. Let's have a look for more. That looks like all the screws we had. So now we are going to delicately remove the board. We're going to take it from the from the top side. Flip it under like so. And there we have it. I'm going to want to remove some of these items here. Let's start with the earpiece speaker. So it looks like we just have the battery left. Alright, that battery's out. So there we go. Alright, let's take the new one. And because I want to be delicate with this screen because it's very expensive, I'm going to put it like that. Okay, we're going to put this back on. Very nice, all in place. We're going to put the vibrator in. A little tiny vibrator. They've been using these guys forever. They work well. If it ain't broke, don't fix it. Alright, we're going to put this back in as well.
That's in place. This came off before, so we're going to put that on later. Let's go with this guy right now. I'm going to put the board back into play. Okay, it looks like it's in place nicely. We're going to take some screws here. And I'm going to change the torque on this. So I don't want to damage anything. Just going to let these screws go nice and easy. Alright, so. Okay, now I'm going to put that front-facing camera back in place as well. Now I do want to be super careful here because it looks like there's LCD that wraps around the front-facing camera. So to practice putting it in, I'm actually going to take it here. And here it just slides right back into place very nicely. So let's take a look at this and make sure it does the same. Look at that, there you go. Okay, that looks like it's all in place. Okay, check that screen. Actually just gonna pop that guy off again. Okay, that should do it. Now that's in place as well. So now I'm going to put this in, on.
And I'm going to screw it back in place. Alright, so just putting a few more screws here, and what we're going to do now is this glass is broken, but I'm going to put it on anyways. I've put 2 strips of tape here and here just with some red adhesive, and now I'm going to put this guy on. And I don't want it to stay on too well because I do have to replace this for the customer. And then I'm going to turn it on. And away we go. Brand new screen. Alright guys, thanks for watching. If you like this video, please subscribe. Thank you.